After you eat it. After you be done. Hi guys, this is Nelson. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest again. She's back, my bestie Nancy. And today we're gonna do the spicy noodle challenge. How do you feel about this? Scared. Oh my gosh, so we have our noodles. You guys can see how it looks. And
Mixed it,
so
we stirred it.
Yes, we just like mixed it up and everything. We have our drinks right here. Hopefully this doesn't turn out bad. Okay, so basically this challenge, you have to eat all of the noodles. So let's see if we could.
Jump in?
Yep.
So this is the, you didn't show them what the 2 times, or you didn't show them the noodle?
That's how it looks like, you guys. The 2 times spicy noodle. And it's 2 times, okay?
Took a bite already, huh? How was it?
It's not that spicy actually.
Ooh, look at her.
I think because I have spicier before.
We have?
Like, you know, papaya salad.
Oh my god, it's spicy.
It's not spicy.
Ooh. Spicy.
I think it starts to kick in a little bit. Because I start tasting it now. Like, chicken.
Oh, damn, that's spicy.
It's spicy.
Yeah, I feel it already.
It started to kick in now. We're doing it off.
I feel my face is gonna explode. Boosh!
We're supposed to do it until we can't handle it anymore.
And then we can drink it.
I think the longer we like eat this, it's gonna get hotter.
You're like such an expert. Oh my god, I'm really laugh.
I'm burgering this time. Yo, they're struggling. I think it is spicy, but
She's all talking calmly.
it's not like
I feel tears.
spicy.
On the verge of my eyes. And we got still a long ways to go. Oh shit, this is spicy.
Oh, it's spicy.
Yeah. Oh, why is it so hot?
You're really coming.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting hot now. You're crying. She's crying, you guys.
Yeah.
We really eat it halfway. We need it.
I know. Oh yeah, these tears.
She's crying, you guys. She's literally crying.
No tears left to cry.
It's getting hot though.
Oh my god.
I feel like at first it wasn't that hot, but now it's like getting hot.
Oh wow. Alright, I can't anymore. With these tears crying.
You're right, crying, you guys.
Oh my god.
It's not that bad, I feel. Like, it gets more spicy, but
Oh my god.
I feel like I would have more spicy.
Oh, gee. Makeup is gonna be ruined now. Damn girl, you're still going at it. Oh man, that's spicy. Oh.
Are you done with yours?
I can't. I mean, I'm not done with it, but
I need to drink now, guys.
I would like to eat it, but it's just so spicy.
Oh, that made it better.
That made it better. That shit is hardcore.
That made it a lot better, you guys.
That did? I feel like it's worse for me. It's horrible.
It's taking too long.
We need some pan.
It's not that spicy, but I don't want to eat the whole thing. Cause
So I'm gonna have diarrhea. Oh my god.
I think I'm good.
Oh, you're good? Go? Thought you were supposed to finish the whole thing.
I know, but it's like...
Yeah, right. We finished the whole thing and like, I'm like this.
It started to...
Oh, I gotta see the tears crying from you.
I'm not crying yet, you guys.
She's not crying yet.
But it's just spicy, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, fuck.
Like at first, I felt like it wasn't that spicy, but once it like sets in your mouth,
it was burning.
Burning.
You look at finish.
I don't think I finished it too. I mean, if I ate really fast, I think I would.
Did you really?
But I'm like, might go to.
People are crazy for making this.
Good.
Just gotta eat it slow. That's what I did.
We do this. We do this. This whole big ass thing. Put it in my mouth. Okay.
Oh, what's that? You pray. I was saying she's Superwoman.
The faster you eat, the better it is.
Oh my god.
Keep it going. Woo.
Damn. They do pretty good too. Yes. Just feeling hot though.
Faster you eat it. Faster you be done.
I'm laughing about crying. Oh god.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god.
Damn.
Almost done. Come on. I could beat this challenge. I could beat this challenge.
Oh dear, we'll give her a go. Oh. Water time. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, I can't.
Woo. Yeah.
Damn girl.
Oh my god.
Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna die.
Die.
Y'all, look at this.
Ooh, you're
I
a winner. Yeah.
Whew, this was hard, but
I can't. All this tears coming down my face.
she has tears streaming down. Hold on, how much you have left? She still have that left, and I'm done.
Oh, crazy.
Are you still gonna try it, or
I don't think I can anymore. I'm like,
just
tears
trying?
are coming down.
She's sad, you guys.
I'm sad I can't finish this challenge. Oh.
Okay, you guys. So that is the end of our video, and obviously I won. Yee.
Yeah.
So hot right now. Ah! But yeah, make sure to check out her channel because we did a video over there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right now for this challenge. Like right now, it's too hot,
Yes,
and I won, you guys. Like I completed the challenge. So yeah,
Do it. She won. She deserves it.
so yeah, we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Damn.
I might be in the bathroom.
Bathroom break.